Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A13 smartphone. In this video we will learn how you can set one-handed mode in your phone Samsung Galaxy A13. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here and click on advanced features. Click on advanced features and here select one-handed mode. Just turn on the button against one-handed mode and one-handed mode will be active. If you click over one-handed mode, you have two options. First option is gesture, second option is button. Using gesture, you can activate one-handed mode. For example, you have to do swipe down in the center of the bottom edge of the screen. Swipe down in the center of the bottom edge of the screen. So here you have to swipe down. What you have to do is just swipe down here. See, one-handed mode is active. If you again swipe down, full screen mode will be active. See here, this is right-handed mode. For left-handed mode, you have to press here and this is left-handed mode. So you can use all areas of your phone with one hand only. That is, window is minimized up to this area and you can access all functions using one hand only. For right-hand mode, you can go here. For left-handed mode, you can go here. For full screen mode, either you can swipe down again from the bottom center or you can touch on the empty screen and it will be in full screen mode. Then second option, button method. Double tap on the home button. What you have to do is just double tap on the home button. First select this button option and then double tap on the home button. This is home button. Just double tap and one-handed mode is active. If you again double tap, full screen mode will come. This is one-handed mode, left-handed mode. For right-handed mode, just go here. So in this way, you can easily set one-handed mode and either you can activate one-handed mode using gesture or button. So I go to full screen now, and if you want to deactivate, if you want to completely off one-handed mode, just you have to turn off this button. And now if you do double tap on the home button or swipe down from the home button, it will not work because one-handed mode is now turned off. So in this way, you can easily set one-handed mode and you can use one-handed mode as per your wish wherever you wanted. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.